How's it going, guys? Today I'll be doing an oil change on my ST300. To get started, you'll need a wrench. For my car, you'll need a 14mm, some new oil in an oil filter, a funnel of sorts, and this is optional but an oil filter wrench. First, jack up the car high enough for you to go underneath it. Next, get your oil pan and locate the drain plug for your engine oil. Remove the drain plug with your wrench, let it drain out all the old oil, and replace the plug back on. Then locate your oil filter, mine is near the manifold, remove the old oil filter, lube up the new one, and replace it where it was. Make sure it's not too tight, just hand tight. Lastly, locate your oil filler cap, grab your funnel, and pour in the new oil. And that's it! Replace everything back into place, lower your car, and now your car's ready for the road. So,